Hi, I'm Dave Bergman, Vice President of International Relations for IPC. And I want to talk to you a little bit about the International Relations Department of the organization. The International Relations Department was formed about 2 years ago. We consolidated or gathered together some of the activities that were already ongoing. So a part of the international relations includes IPC's China office, which was established initially in 2002, as well as IPC's European rep, which was established in 2004, and then IPC's Russian rep, which was added in 2009. So these staff members, these individuals, these offices make up the International Relations Department. Their focus is on primarily in the areas that are identified by IPC's long-range plan. There's the two major goals that we're focusing on. One is to expand the acceptance and use of IPC's standards worldwide, goal number one. And goal number two, accelerate globalization of IPC's services and service delivery. And so these two main goals are a major focus of the department. So as far as functions where the International Relations Department, some of it is in the matter of exposing people to what documents IPC have. In many cases, some individuals believe we're just one standard or two standards, and so our European representative, he has workshops where he goes out and talks about the factory floor and all of the documents that might come into play to help the manufacturer build reliable electronics assembly. We have added recently in 2009 a Russian representative, and Yuri is doing something very similar in Russia, starting to communicate to the local manufacturing companies some of the tools and resources that IPC has to help the manufacturing process. In China, it's our more mature, even though it's still not as old as the IPC, which was formed in '57. We have 10 staff members, and we will expand probably to 15 this year. And they're acting and rolling out many of the programs that IPC has in English. Certainly our standardization efforts are well underway in China, and they're starting to work on bringing to the China market some of the management programs. We hope to continue that, as well as stimulate interaction between the English-speaking members of IPC as well as the Chinese-speaking companies also. We have tried to assist when members here in the U.S. are interested in finding more out about companies in China. We try and provide that networking ability, and now we're doing the same thing with our members in China. We'll be bringing some of those members over from the EMS industry. Hopefully they will be participating as part of our activity at Apex. So we're also supported by a network of both distributors as well as training centers. These people are strategically located and are on the ground serving industry and bringing IPC programs to the local market. Our recent activity has been very heavily standards related. We have tried to grow our activity. We have about 19 active task groups in China, but we are starting task group activities in a number of other regions, including the Nordic regions, TG Nordic, in Russia, TG Russia, in Malaysia, TG Malaysia, and we're starting to work with FED to bring some of our task group activities to Germany. That would be focused on that. We have supported our member companies in a number of countries or regions when they're interested in some IPC support, or they want to see a presentation to supplement some of the things that they're bringing to their own customers. And so we have done road shows in China, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and India, helping to get the word out globally on IPC. So that's a thumbnail of the International Relations Department, and we certainly expect to be very, very busy, as we have a lot of work to meet IPC's long-range goals.